どうも、フロッキーです。今回はですね、ちょっと自分が、英会話をやってるとこを、撮ってみました。今日で5日目ですかね。はい。まだまだちょっと全然ダメなんですけど、これでね、あと5日目って、英語多読とかやってて5日目ってどんな感じなんだろうっていうのを、お届けしたいと思います。Hello.
Hello.
Yeah.
Welcome to my class. How are you?
Oh, I'm good. And you?
I'm fine. Thanks for asking. What is your name?
I'm Seiko.
Nice to meet you, Seiko. My name is Gina.
Yeah, nice to meet you too.
Before we start our lesson, Seiko, can you hear and see me clearly?
Yeah, very clearly.
Good. So today you have chosen topic talk 5, social media addiction. Is that right?
Yes.
Okay, so let's start with the first activity, that is warm-up activity.
Okay.
So you have to name all the things that you can see in the picture, and you have 1 minute to name them all, okay?
Okay.
If you are ready, please start.
Okay. Internet and smartphone and PC and Facebook and Line. Okay. And people's faces. Yeah, that's it.
Moods. Yes. So there are some people's mood, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Good. Let's move on now to words and phrases.
Okay.
So first you have to repeat each word after me, Seiko,
Okay.
and then you have to make a sentence with each of them, okay?
Okay.
Let's start with the first one. Connect with people.
Connect with people.
Yes, make a sentence, please, with connect with people.
Okay. We can connect with people by the internet around the world.
Yes. We can connect with people by using internet throughout the world, right?
Yeah, okay. Yeah.
Okay, the next one. Sympathize with the posts.
Sympathize with the posts.
Yes.
Okay. I don't usually sympathize with the posts by Twitter.
Okay,
Yeah.
I don't usually sympathize the posts of Twitter, right?
Yeah, okay. Yeah.
I don't usually sympathize with the post of Twitter, okay?
Oh, of Twitter. Okay.
Yes. Okay, the next one. Post one's recent situation.
Post one's recent situation. Okay. Last time I post my recent situation is maybe 5 years ago. I guess.
My last post
Yeah.
in Facebook or where?
Twitter.
Okay, my last post in Twitter is since 5 years ago, okay?
Yeah, I think.
So you don't need to use one's recent situation. So just my post on Twitter was since 5 years ago, okay?
Oh, okay.
Or I posted in Twitter since the last time I posted in Twitter was a post that I was getting married, let's say, okay?
Oh.
So this was your recent situation. You were getting married and you posted it in Twitter, okay?
Okay.
Let's suppose, okay.
Yeah.
The next one, reviews or feedback.
Reviews and feedback.
Yes. Make a sentence with reviews or feedback.
Okay. I frequently check the reviews of Amazon.
Very good.
Okay.
The next one, check posts every few seconds.
Check posts every few seconds. My little sister always checks posts every few seconds of Instagram.
Yes, offer Instagram.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's kind of addiction. I do it also.
Uh,
Okay, make a comment out of a sense of duty.
okay. Make a comment out of sense of duty. I don't get it. For example, a sentence. So, can you make it?
Okay, so for example,
Okay.
I don't like it when people tend to comment out of a sense of duty.
Oh,
Okay?
yeah. You don't
So
like
it
it?
means that it is meaningless. Okay?
Yeah.
This is the meaning. Okay?
Yes.
You got it?
Yeah. I understand.
Yeah, or for example, I did it out of a sense of duty. So it wasn't like, let's say, my responsibility to do it,
Mm-hmm.
but I did it. It was out of a sense of duty, okay?
Oh, okay.
Good. The next one. Feel uneasy with people's reaction.
Feel uneasy with people's reaction.
Yes, make a sentence, please.
Okay. Maybe the people's don't match to be YouTuber who feels uneasy with people's reaction.
Could you please make it again?
Oh, okay. The people's
People.
yeah, maybe don't match to be
Don't match.
yeah, the YouTuber and the people who feels uneasy with people's reaction.
I got it. Okay,
Yeah.
good. Yes, I think same as you. The next one. Be annoying.
Be annoying. Be annoying. My point of view, house arrangement is annoying to me.
Okay, house arrangement is annoying to me.
Yeah.
Okay. The next one. Unspecified number of people.
Unspecified number of people. Sorry, I don't get it.
Unspecified number of people.
Is
So it means that
many people?
Yeah. Yes. So you do not actually know the number,
Oh,
but because the number is unspecified, okay?
okay.
So there may be like a lot of people, but unspecified number.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, you can read it, please. Read out loud.
Okay. Jake dislikes disposing his life
Exposing.
to
Exposing.
exposing his life to an
Unspecified.
unspecified number of people.
Okay?
Oh,
So he doesn't know how many people will see the post. So this is the reason why the number of people is unspecified. Okay?
okay. I understand.
Yeah. Okay, and the last one, unfriend.
Unfriend. Oh, unfriend is it is can be used to real friends.
Unfriend, it means, for example, when you add a friend in Facebook and
Oh.
then you unfriend it, it means that you do not follow or are friends together anymore.
Oh, okay. If you find your Facebook friends is annoying, you can unfriend him
Yes.
or her. Yeah.
Exactly.
Yeah.
The easiest way, you can unfriend or block them.
Yeah.
Okay, very good.
まあ、こんな感じでですね。まあ、全然ダメなんですけど。一応会話にはギリギリなってるかなってとこですよね。8割ぐらいはわかります。相手の言ってること。 ただ、やっぱね、早口でまくし立てられるとね、やっぱきついんですよ。で、あと、最初はその、録画のために、スピーカーで撮ってたんですけど、スピーカー全然聞き取れませんね、やっぱり。いつもはイヤホンでやってるんで、でも、この YouTube を撮るために、じゃあちょっとスピーカーでやってみようとしたらもう、ほぼ全滅するっていう。いや、だからちょっとね、いろいろ試してみたいんですけど、どういう風に撮れば一番いいのかっていうね。なんか、iPad の画面録画で撮ろうと思っても、なんか消えちゃうんですね、音声だけ。だから、ちょっとどうしようかなってとこですよね。パソコンで、なんかその録音だけはしようかなって思ってるんで、録音するか、それかこのね、実家にあるこの、なんかスピーカー、ちょっと良さげなスピーカーを使うかをちょっと検討中ですね。でも、会話自体はね、結構面白いんで、どんどんね、講師の人を笑わせられるように頑張りたいと思います。それではありがとうございました。